Hey peeps, I am Tanisha Renee and welcome to my channel. And before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell button right after you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss when I make a new upload. And let's jump into this video. I'm gonna start something. It's called TT Talk. Pretty much all it is just us getting to know each other. I want you to comment. I want you to tell me what you experience. But pretty much, yes, we hair is hair. You know, we have lives. So in order, sometimes we just don't do everything that hair needs to get done. TT Talks is just about those real moments. Those real moments, like you went to bed with 4 headscarves and you woke up with a matted back wash and go but no scarf. So it's all about the random things that happen. Honestly, the one thing that I'm experiencing right now is edges. Now when everyone says laid edges, the one question I ask is, does that mean that baby hairs come included? When I say that, I mean like, okay, so I consider this to be like, this part here is like my edges laid, and then like these little things here are like my baby hairs, and like that is a baby hair, and then this is like my edges laid. I'm just confused sometimes. Edges laid. I don't. Does it matter if they're laid? Like, I feel like I lay my edges when I come on camera because I feel like it makes the look more cohesive. But if I have a fresh wash and go or I'm doing a high puff, 99% of the time my edges are not laid. I just feel like sometimes edge controls are the reason why some people don't have edges, or laying edges is sometimes the reason why we don't have edges, and or it breaks off and then we call them baby hairs. I don't know. That's just like the one thing that I'm dealing with right now, and I feel like I did do that to myself a little, where in this section, which is where I usually wear my side part, I now have like baby hairs that I didn't always have. So I feel like when I started laying my edges, I created baby hairs, but really it's just broken off edges in the front of my head that I wouldn't have had if I didn't start laying my edges. Now I feel like I'm trying to repair that a little bit because I want my edges. I don't want baby hairs. That makes sense? I want edges, not baby hair. Because I can lay my edges, but my baby hairs wouldn't be natural baby hairs. They would just be broken off adult hairs on the edge of my face. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Just let me know, you know, do you like laying your edges or do you like baby hairs? And do you think that they are natural baby hairs or that they're broken off edges that you now call baby hairs? And I know some people get them cut so that they can be baby hairs. I just don't really care about baby hairs per se. If I wet my edges and I put a scarf on, I can pretty much lay my hair. I don't really have to put edge control in. But if I'm doing it impromptu, like I need to go somewhere, I want it to look a little more put together, or my edges just a little bit too curly, I'll lay it down with edge control. And then I feel like baby hairs are needed. I don't really care about baby hairs or laid edges unless like I'm doing a bun. If I'm doing a bun, then I'm gonna usually lay down my edges just so that it looks nice and put together. Wash and go, twist outs, flat twists, braid outs, I don't really care if my edges are laid or not, because I feel like it's a little bit more simple to do for me. Is just wrap it up, let them sit, throw some water on them, throw a little gel, I'll be good. But so let me know what you do in the comments. This is TT Talks. I just wanted to bond over the random things that I feel like just talking about. You know, maybe I will do a detailed video on how to lay your edges safely, or maybe I'll do a video about baby hairs authentically, so like getting them cut and not breakage around the perimeter of your head. Who knows, I just want to talk. So TT's talking to you. Just let me know in the comments what you think. So thank you guys so much for participating. Let me know how you feel about baby hairs. Do you need them? Don't you need them? When do you wear your baby hairs or edges laid? When do you? So what styles do you prefer to wear them? Just tell me a little bit about your edges and or baby hair qualifications. What do you need them for, and when, and why? All right, so thank you guys for participating and watching, and I hope to see you in the comments below letting me know about your edges baby hair experience, and I hope to see you watching me in my next video. Bye guys.